Hi, a very good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss in civics part chapter number 4, understanding laws. Dear students, do laws apply to all? All persons in independent Indian and are equal before the law. The law cannot discriminate between persons on the basis of their religion, caste, or gender. All laws apply equally to all citizens of the country, and no one can be above the law. Any crime or violation of law has a specific punishment. In ancient India, there were innumerable and overlapping local laws which did not apply equally to all. The punishment for the same crime varied depending upon their caste background, with lower castes being more harshly penalized. The British colonists introduced the rule of law in India. The colonial rule was arbitrary. The British law of the Sedition Act of 1870 set a perfect example of the arbitrariness. Under this act, a person protesting or criticizing the British government could be arrested without due trial. Indian nationalists began protesting and criticizing the arbitrary use of authority by the British. They began fighting for greater equality and wanted to change the idea of law from a set of rules that they were forced to obey to law as including ideas of justice. By the end of 19th century, the Indian legal profession began emerging and demanded respect in colonial court. Indian judges began to play a greater role in making decisions. With the adoption of the constitution, laws for the country began to be made by the representatives. Dear students, the next main point of this lesson: how do new laws come about? The parliament has an important role in making laws. An important role of parliament is to be sensitive to the problems faced by people. The issue of domestic violence was brought to the attendance of the parliament, and the process adopted for this issue to become laws. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 was implemented to protect women from being abused and injured by male. The role of citizens is crucial in helping Parliament frame different concerns that people may have into laws. The last main point of today's class, that is unpopular and controversial laws. Sometimes the parliament passes laws that turn out to be very popular. Sometimes a law can be constitutionally valid and legal, but it can continue to be popular and inaccessible to people because they feel that the intention behind it is unfair and harmful. People might criticize this law, hold public meetings, write about it in newspaper, report to TV news channels, etc. In a democracy, citizens can express their unwillingness to accept repressive laws framed by the parliament. When a large number of people begin it feel that a wrong law has been passed, there is pressure on the parliament to change this. If the law favors one group and disregards the other, it will be controversial and lead to conflict. The court has the power to modify or cancel law if it finds that they do not adhere to the constitution. In India, people have the right to protest against unjust laws. Dear students, I hope you all are understood this lesson. If you have any queries, just call me or else message me. Thank you and bye bye.